I am there. So last night after work, I drive to get here in Newcastle, and I decided not to sleep in my apartment but here in the car park instead. Yeah, because it is more comfortable actually to be sleeping here in my bed. The reason is because it's cold. I mean, the bedding setup of my bed in my apartment is not designed for winter, but this one, yeah, it's designed for cold temperature for winter. I have here a sleeping bag that can be a blanket, a comforter. Yeah, as you can see, I can have it totally open wide. And aside from that, I have this comforter as the beddings, and I cover myself with this sleeping bag converted into a blanket. This is 0 degrees centigrade, so yeah, it's up. If the temperature is 0 degree, I mean this one is good even in the snowy area. And then this, I also fold it just like that. Take this up, push it, put it there. Now I'm going to make a copy. And at the moment it is we are not in Brisbane. It is still raining according to the forecast. It is 13 degrees, but I'm still yeah, I'm wearing shorts. I can feel the cold. I have these 2 scones. Just microwave it, that's it. Actually a little more. Yeah, 30 seconds. This is how it is around here. Lots of cars. Yeah, mostly buns. It is now 9:57 and I'm actually still here in the car park. Inside the bun is just okay, but outside here is actually cold and windy. The sun somehow is showing a little bit, but according to the forecast there is still a rain coming. This area is paid parking, and where I park is free parking. Of course, if you park here, you'll be near the water. That lady is fashionable. This guy, I think, is sleep also here in his car. So basically last night I saw he has a lot of things outside, like a cooler and big boxes. Maybe he took that out to set up a bed inside. I'm not sure. I just finished working out, and now I'm ready to go for the laundry. That's the gym, and next to this gym there is the Mauro swim team. Maybe this is a swimming school. After shower, I realized that I lost my mobile phone. I check in my bag, but it's not there. And then I walk around to the place, to the machine where I did my workout, but it's not there. And so I asked the lady, the receptionist, and she called the number, my number. It was ringing, and then she walked around, yeah, and she found my phone on the treadmill that I use. Yeah, I don't totally remember which treadmill I use, so yeah. And that's I realized that is how to get the phone number of the lady, the lady in there. We're now here in the market town. Yeah, I'm actually going to the Filipino restaurant. I'm going to eat adobo. Oh, this is actually the previous Anytime Fitness. Yeah, and now they moved to the other side. Yeah, just this month, recently. I hope they are open. Please be open. Yeah, they are open. I didn't finish, but I put some in takeaway box. This is going to be my dinner or breakfast tomorrow. I remember I have rice in my bun. The serving is actually too much for me. Yeah, and we're now here in the laundry shop, actually here in JB Hi-Fi, and then the laundry shop is just next to JB Hi-Fi. And I noticed that there are so many people inside of the laundry shop. It means that I won't be able to fold my uniform, because I usually need to fold it right away coming from the dryer, so that I don't need to iron it. Okay, I changed the parking lot. It is now 6:35, and yeah, I have my laundry drying now at the moment. It's actually expensive. In washing, I use the $18 machine. There is actually $8 on the far side, but it's alright. And then for dryer, I use the $14. It's supposed to be just a total of $15 or even $10 in Mayfield Laundromat. But yeah, those dogs here annoys me. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, already afternoon, already 1 o'clock actually. Just now I started to record. I am here in Jesmond at the moment. I'm here basically just to have a haircut. Oh, this haircut, this is $40. Yeah, I think it's nice. It's army cut. Yeah, I actually have some bottles in here inside the van. Yeah, whenever I drink soft drink, I don't throw it in the bin. I actually keep it here somewhere. Yeah, it is not working actually. Okay, we go. I'm still day off until tomorrow. Yeah, so there's no real plan. Where's my sleeper? Oh, here.
Volume is at 60%.
What? Okay, we are now here in one of the car park here in West Newcastle. Basically in the NU Sports Center. I mean Newcastle University Sports Center. Part of them, but it's not in the campus. Yeah. And I'm going to inquire about swimming lesson. So I just went to the NU Sports, Newcastle University Sports, and what they have there is actually just a gym. Yeah, I thought they have swimming pool also in the same building, indoor swimming pool, but yeah, they don't have. The reception lady told me that, oh, it's in the Newcastle University inside. Yeah, and Newcastle University is actually near to my apartment, so we go there next time, not today. And we are now here in the Bar Beach car park, and yeah, I'm actually hungry, but there is no real restaurant in this area. Yeah, there is a coffee shop over there, but they will have just some croissant, some cookies, muffin, just like that. No actual meal. There is a fish and chips, but I don't like fish and chips. Should I cook noodles here? Where's that? I still have the croissant and a little coffee. but I'm not going to drink. This is cold. Yeah, I still have this croissant. Yeah, I'll just eat this first. Where is my key? Oh, in my pocket. My original plan for coming here is to run, jogging, but I decided I'm just going to the repair shop. Necklace repair shop. There is one in Darby Street. According to the Google map, it is 15 minutes walk, 3 minutes drive. This is actually the 24 hours laundromat. Yeah, I sometimes do my laundry here. It's a branch of the laundromat where I did my laundry last time, 2 days ago, in Kotara. Expensive. This is Darby Street. Yeah, one of the popular street here in Newcastle, because on that far side there are several restaurants, especially for nightlife. It is cold. Wearing regular shirt is impossible. Yeah, that's why most of the people I am seeing are actually wearing something like this, a jumper or a jacket or a sweater, hooded also. There is one grocery here. This is Harris Farm. That is the area here in Darby Street where there are many restaurants. This place is very active in the night, not in the daytime. So yeah, I went to the repair shop, but it will cost $79 to fix it. They will also clean it, $79, but they don't do it there, so I need to leave it and they will bring it to their warehouse for cleaning, for repair. But I want it to be repaired this time. I don't want to wait. I want it to be repaired on the spot. That's one thing I noticed, that here in Australia most of the service needs to be booked. Most of the car park here in Newcastle are paid parking. Yeah, just look at this. I don't know if this is paid one. Actually no parking here, maybe just for resident. The free one are those beachfront, but there is a limit. Oh nice, there is a red lorrycat. Mostly are green lorrycat, but yeah, these are red. This area is mostly residential, no offices, just big houses. We are back here in the Bar Beach car park, and I can see my van untouched, still there. We are back here, and in case you don't know, my dashcam is actually doing a time lapse. It's automatic. Once I stop, yeah, time lapse start recording. I still have this croissant and I am trying to finish it. Yeah, I don't have a proper meal yet. The sun at the moment is covered by the clouds. It's going to set over there, and yeah, before the sunset I want to go for a run. I'm going to have this just this one layer. I don't know if you can see, but there are so many people there. Yeah, they are surfer. Running here is actually very different than running in the treadmill. For sure, it is more tiring to run like this than running in the treadmill. At the moment I'm running in the relaxed manner, relaxed pace, you know, something like that. Oh, there are more surfer over that side. Look at this Land Cruiser Hero. Nice. This is like my van. I'm feeling tired already. I don't know how
how far it is already. That's where I came from. I feel that it is far already. I still can't do it. I will keep on going. We reached this area now. This is the area of Meriwether. There is also a free parking here down there. Yeah, I need to stop. I need to stop now. I stop. I don't know how far is that. That was good. Amazing. I never run. This is the second time that I run, yeah, this long. Yeah, last week I ran in the field, but yeah, it's near just one round in the oval, but this time it's far. Yeah. Oh, a lot of people over there, down there in the water. They're also surfer. Yeah, this area is the Meriwether. I don't know how many kilometers did I run. If I only have Apple Watch or any smartwatch, I probably know how far did I go, how long did I go, but I don't have. I am actually tempted to buy one of that smartwatch, Apple Watch, Samsung Watch. Really tempted, but yeah, maybe going back to the Banis, I'll just be walking. Good thing the wind is coming from that side and not from the water side. If you remember Rafael, yeah, the one who stayed in my apartment before, that I used to work to also in previous different companies. Yeah, he runs always. He runs a lot. Like there is one time I was there, and yeah, I saw him running together with his friends. Yeah, they are living here now in Newcastle. Yeah, Rafael is a very active guy. He even joined the kind of marathon, even triathlon. And I'm back. You know, the temperature inside here is just so good. Amazing. Compare outside, that is too cold. Let's drink water. I don't want to force myself. Yeah, I'm going to do it slowly. Maybe in the coming days, longer than that or farther than that. And I don't want to go home yet. I mean, I don't want to go to Nelson Bay yet. And I also don't want to go to my apartment. I will be sleeping in the van again today. Not here, because you know, this area, they actually close it at 10 o'clock. And they actually end up not going anywhere, but instead staying here. Oh, it's going to overflow. Yeah, I'm cooking actually. Let me show you. Yeah, these are noodles. I think that's enough. Switch it off.